I think Mr. Banchan, you need to share two words. They'll ask you the question, but I think you need to.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here. And
Oh, still हाथ
for
नीचे.
Ravi and Vivek and everyone in BR Films, and Juhi and Aman, thank you for giving me the honor of unveiling the look of Bhutnath today. As you must have realized, he looks a lot like me in real life as well. It's been a wonderful experience working with Vivek, this is his first directorial venture, and I would like you to look at his film with a lot of compassion and love and affection. Cookie and I go back to when was it? Yeah, it's 1975. Okay, that's a long time ago. Many of you in the hall may not have been born as yet, but it's been a very long association, and every film that we've worked together, there's been a great spirit of camaraderie and well-being and happiness and joy, and the same has happened in this film as well. I hope you enjoy the film. It's a little different, and it's very special for me because of these two wonderful people standing next to me, Juhi and Aman, who's been with me. We don't have Shahrukh here today, but he's here in a special appearance in the film, and I'm sure that you would all enjoy the experience. Another special word for Vivek. This is his first film, but I can tell you that after you see the product, you will never imagine that this is his first effort. Wish you all the best, Vivek, and thank you so much.
I think Vivek has to say a few words. Yeah.
दादा भूत बन के कैसा लगा?
भूत में वैसे बना जिस तरह से आपने मुझे बनाया. मैंने तो कभी भूत देखा नहीं है, लेकिन अगर देखा होता तो कुछ ऐसा ही होता.
Good evening, everybody. I must say I'm very happy to be here with the whole team. It's been such a joy making this film. I must say it's been really special because I got to even work with Amit ji, which I think after a long time I did. We worked together in another film, but it was really special that he was essaying the role of Bhutnath, because I thought there couldn't be a better casting for this. It was really perfect that you were playing the part, and I was so happy and excited for Vivek and for myself that we could be working with you. Also, I would like to say about Mr. Ravi Chopra, BR Saab, that I have known the Chopra family for many, many years. I think when I just about entered the industry, Chopra Saab was going to give me the role of Draupadi and in Mahabharat. But it just so happened that I got chosen to play Rashmi in Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, and one of the conditions was that I shouldn't do television at the time. And I came to Chopra Saab, who at that time, I mean, he was giving me a break in such a big television serial, and I was so honored, but I had to, apologize and draw back. But he was so wonderful towards me. After that, somehow I never got a chance to work with them. I kept meeting them, visiting them, hoping somewhere there would be a break. And then after many years, I've now worked with them in Bhutnath, and it's been so, so wonderful. It's a lovely film. You will enjoy it when you see it. You will laugh, and at the end, I'm sure you will be crying. It is it's a lovely roller coaster of lots of great fun, entertainment, and then gets very emotional at the end. I once again say it's a wonderful film. Vivek has done some amazing work. I've known Vivek for many years. He worked with us when we were doing films with Mahesh ji. He assisted Mahesh ji, and then Aziz Mirza ji. And now he got his wonderful break with BR Films. I wish all of us, the whole team, the very, very best. Thank you.
I'm the most important guy in the film. This is Aman. Don't say nothing. This is Aman. He's grown since we started the film and ended it. He's an absolutely adorable little child and huge amount of talent. And when you see the film, you will realize. I'm sure when you saw the promo, you'd realize what his potential is. I've worked with him in many advertisements and in a film as well. And this has been like he was my co-star in the film, like my leading lady or leading man, if you want to call it. I'm sorry about that. But we really enjoyed working with you, and you must say a few words to everybody, all the press, waiting to hear you.
Please come and see the film and enjoy the film. Thank you.
Would the press like to ask any questions from anybody?
I have a question for Amit. Then, like you confessed, Jyoti, when you confessed, there has been no reference point for this particular character since you have never seen a booth in your life. So in what way it was tough for you to enact this character? And second question is, you come out more better when you work with a child artist like in Chini Kam. So how the experience was with working with Aman?
Well, to answer the first part, that was all Vivek. He's seen many ghosts in his life, and he thought that this is what he should look like. So he put me in this dress, and he made me look very ungainly, made me put on a lot of weight, and I looked terribly ugly with my nails grown and so on and so forth. But that was his impression of what the ghost should look like. He's a very benevolent ghost. He's not, well, initially he's a bit frightening, but later on he gets very happy and friendly with this young man. And working with kids is always a great joy. Sometimes it's very painful because, they always upstage you. They're always better than you, and you have to be on guard all the time. And Aman is a wonderful example of that. He's a born actor. We don't need to tell him anything. You just give him his lines, and then he goes off, starts playing with his computer games and everything, and you're wondering whether he'll be able to do the shot or not. But he comes back and he does really well. A lot of the time in the film he was down with high fever, and I must compliment him that he did come down even in very high temperature to work for the film. Well done, Aman. Keep it up. Thank you.
अमित जी, आप भूत पर विश्वास करते हैं? आप भूत पर विश्वास करते हैं?
कौन बोल रहा है? दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, कहाँ है आप? देखा नहीं है तो विश्वास कैसे करें, मैडम?
सर, ईश्वर पे भरोसा रखते हैं, विश्वास करते हैं।
इसीलिए तो यहाँ खड़े हैं।
सर, जब ईश्वर है तो आप भूत पर क्यों नहीं विश्वास करते हैं?
अच्छा, ईश्वरी बनाते हैं क्या भूत? विवेक शर्मा भी बना सकते हैं भूत को।
मिस्टर बच्चन, बहुत लंबे समय के बाद आप शाहरुख के साथ नजर आएंगे, कुछ कहेंगे उसके बारे में? एक बहुत
2-3 दिन ही काम हो सका शाहरुख और मेरा, क्योंकि फिल्म की कहानी ऐसी है जहाँ पर वो सिर्फ क्लाइमैक्स में आते हैं। और क्या कहें, बहुत ही उम्दा कलाकार, और हम दोनों ने कई फिल्मों में एक साथ काम किया है। बहुत अच्छा लगा है हमेशा, और इस फिल्म में भी अच्छा लगा।
अमित जी, आप एक भूत का रोल कर रहे हैं तो फिल्म में आप दिखाई कम देंगे और आवाज आपकी ज्यादा सुनाई देगी।
नहीं नहीं, ये भ्रम है आपके मन में।
वो देखिए तो ये दिखता है कि हाँ, कम और आपकी आवाज।
ये पहला प्रोमो है, जब तक रिलीज होगी अब बहुत कुछ दिख जाएगा आपको।
Mr. Bachchan, how long did it take Vivek to convince you to play this character of Bhutnath?
Yeah, it took a while. Firstly, I didn't know Vivek. I knew Ravi Chopra, and because I had faith in him in the past, I trusted him, and he said, I've got a script and you have to do it. So we met and we heard, and I was very hesitant about it in the beginning. I felt that I don't know what this young man is going to do. He was very, very enthusiastic. Everything clear-cut, all worked out. So it took me a while. We had several sittings, and then in the middle I said, I don't want to do this movie because I don't know what I'm doing. And then Vivek went and shed some tears on Mr. Ravi Chopra's shoulder. And then I got emotionally moved, and I said, okay, we'll do the film. No, but I think it's a process. All of us go through it when we want to accept a script. We want to live with it for a while. Sometimes we give our own little interpretations and our own suggestions. And sometimes it takes a while. So yes, it took a little while, but I'm very happy with the end result.
So what was your first reaction when he told you about the character, like look of the character?
The look came much later on, and once you've accepted to do the film, then you just go with the look. But as I said, it took a while for me to understand the script and to understand the person who was going to direct.
अमित जी आमतौर पर ऐसा देखा जाता है कि जब भी कोई फिल्म आती है ये कहा जाता है कि नया है, कंसेप्ट नया है, ढेर सारे इमोशंस हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी दी गई हैं जो पब्लिक पहली बार देखेगी, लेकिन ये कोई ऐसा कंसेप्ट जब तक अभी तक लोग को देख के पता लग रहा है। इससे पहले भूत अंकल आ चुकी है जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ, जिसमें एक बच्चे के साथ दोस्ती दिखाई जाती है, इसमें भी बच्चे के साथ दोस्ती दिखाई गई है। क्या खास होगा, पहली बार आपको लगता है ये फिल्म बाकी ये भूत और बच्चे की दोस्ती से अलग क्या खास होगा आपकी बार इस फिल्म?
मैंने पहली बात तो ये कि मैंने आपको ये कहीं नहीं कहा कि ये पहली बार आप देखने जा रहे हैं। हमने कहा कि ये फिल्म देखिए, आपको अच्छी लगेगी। और रही बात कहानियों की, तो 7-8 कहानियाँ ही हैं जीवन में सबकी, उसी में से तोड़ जोड़ करके किसी न किसी तरह हमें एक फिल्म बनानी पड़ती है। लेकिन मेरा ऐसा अनुमान है कि ये फिल्म देखने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि ये एक अच्छी फिल्म है। और इस समय जब हम यहाँ पर फिल्म की प्रमोशन के लिए खड़े हैं, तो इसके अलावा हम और क्या कह सकते हैं?
There was lots of, there was, very good bonding between you and Shahrukh on the sets. You also played games with him, and Shahrukh.
मैडम आप हैं कहाँ?
This one.
हाँ?
Here.
Oh yeah, okay.
And you would also play games with him, and he also gave you a PlayStation. We would like to know more about it, please.
What has that got to do with Bhutnath?
That is just your off-screen bonding with Shahrukh.
Yeah, well, the time the shot is being prepared, what do? You sit and chat, and you exhaust all your energy in everything that you have to say. Then you start playing games. Literally.
Thank you. Mr. Bachchan, you have accomplished a very difficult stunt scene in this film. What would you like to say about that?
Repeat the question.
You have accomplished a very difficult stunt scene in the movie. What would you like to say about that?
No. Stunt scenes today are not difficult at all. They used to be in my time, in the olden times.
But somewhere it was quoted, you want like Abhishek to repeat this.
Yeah, I would not like him to do stunts. Every father is very protective. But nowadays they have wonderful gadgets. And you wear a harness, you get tied by a rope and wires, and they swing you all over the place. And then it goes to computer graphics, and then they erase the ropes. It makes you look as though you're flying. So it's become very safe. But yes, at 66, it's a little risky.
जूही, आपके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त शाहरुख इस फिल्म में है और एक छोटे से रोल के लिए आपको कहीं एक गलान नहीं रहा कि आपके दोस्त को बहुत कम रोल दिया गया इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, I'm happy कि मुझे बड़ा रोल मिला है। I'm beginning to talk like a bitch.
बच्चन जी, क्या ये मुश्किल था रोल आपके लिए करने आपके लिए, क्योंकि हम भूत के रोल के लिए कहीं से इंस्पायर नहीं हो सकते?
किसको कह रही हैं आप?
आपको।
सॉरी, क्या कहा आपने?
बच्चन जी, मैं पूछ रही थी कि भूत का रोल करना थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि इस रोल के लिए आप कहीं से इंस्पायर नहीं हो सकते?
हाँ, ये दरअसल आप ये प्रश्न विवेक से पूछिए, क्योंकि ये बता पाएंगे कि किस तरह इन्होंने मुझे इंस्पायर किया इस रोल को करने। चलिए विवेक, कुछ बोलिए आप।
बच्चन साहब, आपको नहीं लगता कि
इससे पहले वो आपने जो प्रश्न जूही से पूछा था शाहरुख के बारे में, ये बहुत ही घनिष्ठ मित्र हैं उनके, और ये बता पाएंगे कि इन्होंने इतना छोटा रोल शाहरुख को क्यों किया। हाँ?
नहीं, शाहरुख का रोल छोटा नहीं है. Definitely we are not promising audience that it's a Shahrukh Khan star film. He's got a definite role, definite part in the film. Let audience come in the theater and then let them get surprised.
It's a rebellious son who's goes through his share of redemption in the movie and then eventually reunites with his family. It's an amazing role and he's done his equally his equally amazing bit, and I'm sure the film will do well.
फिल्म में एक बच्चा है and definitely बच्चों के पीछे आजकल बहुत चल रहे हैं. तारे ज़मीन पर has just created some. What do you have to say about that? I mean,
I think it's a plus for our film, and we hope to, create a niche of our own.
anything about the director Vivek?
Vivek is amazing to work with. He's a very cool temperament, level-headed kind of a person, and extremely gifted with his vision as a director. And I'm sure he will be someone to look out for in the coming years.
It's a lovely roller coaster, lots of funny incidents, fun moments in the film. Gets to a dramatic middle, then again little more fun, and then a very emotional ending.
I won't be lying if I say कि ये एक लाइट किस्म का रोल है जो मैंने बड़ा सीरियसली किया है, मगर हो सकता है लोगों को मज़ा आए.
और फिल्म में भूतनाथ का किरदार as usual, I mean, अमित जी कर रहे हैं. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस किरदार के बारे में?
अभी आप समझ लीजिए कि मैं एक स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल हूँ, एक बच्चा मुझे बहुत सताता है, उसी से मैं बेजार हूँ, और ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट एक भूत उसका साथ देता है मुझे सताने में, तो आप लोगों को तो मज़ा आएगा ही.
और विवेक जी हैं, नए डायरेक्टर हैं, उनके बारे में क्या कहना है?
वो उनकी पहली फिल्म है, मगर उनका काम देख के आपको लगेगा नहीं कि ये नए डायरेक्टर हैं. इनकी पहली फिल्म है, ये कहना बेहतर होगा.
तो किस तरह से फिल्म में कितनी मल्टी स्टारर आ रही है, इतनी सब आ रही है, फिल्म कैसे आप
ये मल्टी स्टारर होने में सबसे बड़ा हाथ रवि जी का है, रवि चोपड़ा साहब का. जब उन्होंने ये स्टोरी सुनी तो उन्होंने सोचा कि भाई ये फिल्म तो एक मल्टी स्टार नहीं मगर एक बड़ी फिल्म होने के काबिल है. और उन्होंने ख़ुद, जैसे अमित जी ने भी बताया, उन्होंने ख़ुद अमित जी को कांटेक्ट किया, और विवेक में इतनी क्षमता है, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि उसने स्टोरी सुना कर अमित जी को कन्विंस किया. और एक बार अमित जी सेट पे आए, उसके बाद उन्होंने कोई सवाल नहीं किया, वो अच्छे से काम करते रहे, दिल लगा कर काम करते रहे. मेरे ख्याल से इट वोंट बी रॉन्ग इफ आई सेड कि Juhi and I were the only people who were pre-decided to play what role we were playing. The rest was all designed by Ravi ji.